Hello, my name is Yiding.
Hello, my name is Phoebe Carla. We are students in the University of South Australia, and we are studying Master of Teaching Early Childhood.
And today we will present our teaching resources for our Health and Technology Assignment 1.
We have selected the weather and seasons based on the way in which different culture groups, include Aboriginal and Torres Strait Island people, describe them. It's under the geography substrate it has in the Australian curriculum. Specifically, we are looking at describing the daily seasonal weather of students' place, like rainfall, temperature, and sunshine, and the wind. In the next learning experience, we will take the learning experience further. The students can compare the weather of South Australia to the weather of the other places they know or they are aware of. Employing teaching resources has significantly increased students' understanding, learning, and academic achievements. Also, it encourages students to make use of recyclable materials. We have used 5 recycled materials like fabric, buttons from old clothes, the natural leaves, the cardboard, and the used wrapping paper.
Hi, now I'm going to introduce the joining techniques we are using for our teaching resources. We use different joining techniques, including static and moving parts. For the static joining technique, firstly we use glue to paste all those paper parts onto the cardboard. And we also put the cotton ball as the clouds. And we also use hot glue guns to paint the leaves. And next one, we use stapler. Stapler are used for attaching the background paper onto the cardboard. And third static technique is the sticky tape. We use sticky tape to attach the big tree onto the background. And the fourth one is sewing technique. We sew those recycled buttons onto the flowers. And the last static technique is clip. We attach the thermometer onto the background so that we can show the students what temperature is it in different seasons. And one thing I also want to mention is we make the sun in different ways so that to show in different weathers they can be in different events, present in different ways. And for the moving technique, we also use 5 techniques. One is the ribbon, because we have 4 parts. Each part represents a season, and we use the puncture to put holes into each cardboard and connect them with ribbons. When we detach the ribbons, we can also separate each season and introduce them separately to the students. And the other moving technique we are using is the Velcro. The Velcro has 2 parts, one attached to the back of this girl, and the other 4 we put on each of the background, so that this girl can go to each season and stay there. And we can also disattach it and put it somewhere else. And then we come to the third technique, moving technique, that is magnet. Because the surface of this girl has a magnet on it, and we have magnet on the back of her clothes. So each season, she can change into the appropriate clothes, such as for winter, for autumn, the jacket, and for summer, she has beautiful short dress, and for spring, she has a very elegant suit. Now we come to the fourth moving technique, that is the moving boat. In summer, we put a boat here and we cut a line over the sea so that this boat can sail on the sea. And lastly, we use the pipe cleaner to make a hanger for the label of the name of the season. And the last moving technique we were using is the hanger. We use the pipe cleaner to make the shape of a hanger so that it can hang underneath each of the cupboard, and we can detach it so that students can do the matching of the name and the picture.
For safety reasons, we will be asking the parents to help with sewing. Also, children will be advised to hold the scissors with the blades in their hand palm. In addition, other supervision will be required while the children are using the hot glue gun.
Yeah. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy the teaching resources we made for our students. Bye.